See how fast it is to pull out? Just go to unlatch, 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 pull up, pull up, pull up, and you're out. Come on over and check out the quick release for the rear lower cushion on the Grenadier. So we built this guy here, and it's a Agile product. It's got a metal latch. It's in unlock position. Unlock it, open it, and then this is in the lock position. So it stays nice and tight. So that's how that guy works. Let me show you how easy it is to do. And I've been traveling in this solo, so I sleep inside, but I need to get this seat all the way forward, and I need the lower cushion out of the way. So if I know I'm traveling by myself, I just remove the cushion. I leave it here at the shop. So I unlock these guys here. Give this thing a little pull up. And that lower seat comes right out. So you can see these things just sit in there. It's kind of important when you look at this though, when this is up this way, it's unlocked. So it allows you to go like that. Because if you have it in like a lock position, you try and push down, it's not gonna latch in. So make sure you're always in that unlock position and then locked. You purchase these individually on our website. You need 3 for the long seat in the rear. You need 2 for the small one on the other side. They work out really slick. The main reason for doing this is so you can get the cushion all the way down, get that seat all the way forward, and then you've got a 6'6" sleeping platform at least available if you can build a platform in there. And what I'll do is I'll get mine set up here and you can get a glimpse of what it looks like. So it's huge by getting this thing out. Now typically if I'm on a trip and I know I'm gonna be traveling by myself, I'll pull this one out and I leave this short bench installed. And so that I use as kind of like my mud room for getting dressed, things like that. I'll sit up here and then I'll put my feet in there and I can get dressed, undressed, and hang out inside. See, we're 31 inches wide and 6'5", 6'6". And this is just a thermal rest, which I've got no problem sleeping on. Obviously you'd need to pull up these here, the catches and everything. And it's just a platform that's made by V3 Customs. So the key to this is getting the rear lower seat cushion out. So if it's out of your way. If you're carrying this in the back, you can set it in the back, lay the cushion, put it up on the roof when you're sleeping overnight, or put it on the ground, or leave it back at the house. And I'll just show you how easy it is to put everything back. Back in there, you have full access to everything. And then again, pulling it out, see how fast it is to pull out. Just go to unlatch, 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 pull up, pull up, pull up, and you're out. That's it. So quick release for the lower seat cushion from Agile Offroad. Have them on the website, available individually. Thanks so much. Happy trails, everybody.